Okay, guys. Uh, so in this game, I beat a famous YouTuber, guys. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm just loading into the game. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here. Uh, I beat a famous YouTuber. It was she. I beat her. I beat her. Yeah. Bam. Okay, guys. So, why is this thing taking so long? Okay, if you see there at the top, wait. See there at the top, guys. Look at that. My best is 0.248. If you see at the top, and Real Rosa is 0.333. So I beat Real Rosa, guys. Please let this go. Please let this go viral and tell the owner of this game. Please, 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 please. Ah.